Hi, this is Manisha Saha. So, today we are going to present the topic here is posture. Let's know about posture. So, posture is the relative disposition of the body at any one moment, is a composite of the positions of the different body joints at that time. The position of each joint affect the position of the body of other joints. So, in short, so posture is the position, the correct position of each and every part of the joint in any movement, whether it is standing, whether it is sitting, whether it is lying, whether it is any doing any activity. So, it is the correct positioning of the different body parts or and different body types joints that affect directly or indirectly the functioning of the joint. So, what is the correct posture here? The position where minimum stress is applied to each joint. So, we consider a correct posture is that where minimum stress is applied to each and every joint, whether it is knee joint, whether it is elbow joint, whether it is hip joint. So, that should be minimum stress which will be applied to each joint. That is called correct posture. And then, what is faulty posture? Any static position that increases the stress on the joints. So, which and whatever the position is, that position, if that position is increased stress on the joint and that causing pain or pressure on that particular joint, whether it is elbow joint, whether it is knee joint, whether it is hip joint, whatever it is. So if it increase stress on that particular joint, that is considered as faulty postures. So generally there were two types of posture. First is static posture and second is dynamic posture. So what is static posture? The body and its segments are aligned and maintained in certain positions, that is called static posture. Example like standing, sitting, lying, kneeling. So in this kind of posture, suppose standing with the body is aligned in a certain particular posture and it maintains through different kind of positions of the joints. Then second is dynamic posture. The body or its segments are moving. So like walking, running, jumping, throwing, and lifting. So, any kind of activity we are going to do, that is called dynamic posture. So, here are the correct posture that we are considered at correct. So, the eyes should be straight, the cervical should be straight, the spinal column should be straight, and the shoulders should be in perfect alignment, and the back also, abdominal muscles also, and hip also straight, and the knee also goes central line. So this is considered as a side view of correct posture or any good posture. So this is the correct posture of standing, and here is the correct posture of sitting. So here the monitor at its eye level and the sit area 20 to 24 inches from screen, and also slightly recline to chair back so that back should be properly supported, and adjustable arm to support elbows, hip also back supported, and adjust chair height. So ensure keyboard is closed and directly in front of you, and the knees also in level, and the feet also in per- perfect as on the floor. So this is the perfect correct posture of standing and sitting. So here are the some posture abnormal, the normal posture, abnormal postures are there. We are going to learn one by one. Okay, so this is considered as one normal posture. Then the neck should be forwarded, the hip should be forwarded, and the hip muscles should be forwarded, and the sway back is here. So this is the certain types of abnormal posture. So here you can see that the perfect sitting posture is not here. Here the sway back is here. Here it is forward neck. So the back is not properly supported. Here the back is reclining, and the proper support is here. Like this is the example of the proper sitting posture. This is the anatomy of sitting. The neck should be properly aligned, the back should be properly supported, and the pelvis and foot also properly supported. So, what are the effect of poor posture on our body? So, it called different type of negative effects because of poor posture of our different kind of body postures. So, first is poor posture can cause our natural curve to change shape over time, putting excessive pressure in the wrong position. So, if we go through a certain posture in a different repetitive mode, then it can also change the curve of our spine. So it can lead to further many diseases and many spine conditions that leads to many painful and severe and worse conditions. This also in our back. So one of the most common side effects of poor posture is unwanted strain on your upper and lower back. So if the shoulders are hunched forward and the head is aimed downward, the strain put on the neck by the tightness of the muscle can lead to tension headache. So if your shoulder is not in position, your head is not in position, your neck muscle is not in position, that also can lead to abnormal sitting and also can lead to tension headaches. Deficient posture can put your entire system of muscles in a compressive position, leading to hours of lost sleep. So, if you are going to throughout the day, you are maintaining a bad posture, then ultimately it affects your entire system of muscles. That also leads to anxiety and depression. And lastly, if you're late night go to bed, that also it affects your sleep. So sitting with bad posture can lead to digestive issues. So if you are sitting in abnormal position for a long period of time, it can also cause digestive issues. So bad posture also correlates to low self-esteem as per health psychologists. So it also creates many kinds of anxiety, depression, as I told, according to the health psychologist. So what is the ideal sitting posture? As we see in previous pictures, switch sitting position often and take brief walks around your office or homes. Gently stretch your muscles every often so have it helps to relieve your muscle tension. Don't cross your legs. Make sure that your feet touch the floor and relax your shoulders and keep your elbows close to your body. So make sure that your back is fully supported and make sure that your thighs or hips are also supported. So, what is the proper standing posture? Stand up straight and tall. Keep your shoulders back. Pull your stomach in. Put your weight mostly on the balls of your feet. Keep your head level. Let your arms hang down naturally at your sides. And keep